Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to take down the toughest arc enemies in Arc Raiders, especially enemies like the Rocketeer. This method will help you defeat them quicker and safer, using smart tech targeting and weapon combos instead of just spraying bullets everywhere. First, let's talk about one big mistake most players make. They aim at parts that look big or obvious, like engines or thrusters, but those parts aren't actually the fastest way to break the enemy. The key is targeting weak point zones hidden beneath the armor. So, what should you target? Every heavy arc enemy, like Rocketeers, has a specific weak point under their outer plating. It might look like a panel or a small exposed area on the body. If you focus all your damage there, if you break them down much faster. Aim for the exact spot where the plating overlaps. That's often the vulnerability. Now let's talk about weapons. You don't just spam bullets, use a two-step combo. Use a heavy weapon with good armor penetration, something like anvil or any armor breaking rifle. This lets you crack the outer plating quickly without wasting time. The moment that armor breaks, switch to a rapid game weapon like a Venter or a fast firing burst weapon to finish them off. This combo shreds the target way faster than just using one gun. Remember, accuracy matters. Don't spray your shots everywhere. Aim for that exact weak spot we talked about. Keep your movement tight, use cover and make small strafes while targeting that point. This keeps you alive while dealing max damage. Always keep distance and don't crowd heavy enemies unless you're sure you can burst them down. Rocketeers are one of the hardest enemies because they move quickly and fire missiles non-stop. So when you're fighting one, stay mobile, keep your distance, track that weak spot, break the armor with your heavy weapon first, and then unload with your secondary weapon. This method will make them go down way faster than traditional attacks. Alright, so if we recap, don't waste time attacking the wrong parts, find and aim for the weak point, use a combo weapon strategy, stay mobile and precise. If you use this approach, you'll finish fights faster and survive longer in Arc Raiders. If this guide helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your favorite weapon combo, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.